Hello people of the world. I've set the program up here to count in binary. It will only count up to 8, but I have put an overlay on so it will count over to 9. It will not go any further. To go further I'll probably have to run through another chip. I'm running this through a 138. I've set up all the programs so you can adjust the pin numbers up here if you have a problem with the pins. That's my delay timing. I've just makes life a lot easier because then you don't have to go through each one. Alright, now this setup here, that is all 0, that's all low, so that should bring on no lights. We go down to this one here, this one's count number 1, so you got the bottom one high and the top 3 are low. And we go down to number 2, which brings on 2. So that one's high, and then the other 3 are low. And then for number 3, you bring the top 2 high, and the top 2 low. And then if you want to go for a number 4, you bring on pin number, the third one up. That goes high, and the other 3 still low. And then number 5, you bring on the third pin, and then you bring on the first pin. That makes the number 5. It's quite easy. These pictures of binary on the internet, you can find out how binary counting works, but once you know it, it is really simple. I hope you find this interesting. See you later. Hello everybody, you've seen my program, so I thought I'd show you what I've done. So I've got my nano there, that is rigged up with 3 wires coming out. Well, technically 4 wires, that goes to the number 9 light. These are number 3s, 3 wires coming out, they go to my 138. So I've got my power. If you ever do this, you always need to put a bypass capacitor in, otherwise you'll have problems with the chip. You don't want problems with the chip. And coming up here, you have a 1, a 2 and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All them turn on the lights individually to each number. It's quite easy. And then you've got number 9 over here. That is just the overcount, because that chip can't handle more than 3 inputs at a time. So we'll turn it on. Let me show you what happens. Sorry about the mess, folks. It is quite a mess, but there we go. You've got number 1 light is on now. Well, that was a tricky bit to get to do. What I've had to do there is I've had to take a loop from number 9, and it's had to go into here, which is pin number 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 has to be joined together. I've had to use a pull down resistor, 100k pull down, to get it to work. So if anyone has that problem, that's pretty much how you get to fix it. Otherwise it'll just bring number 1 back on as number 9 comes on.